Would you pay $1,000 or $3,000 for flying a business class trip from the United States to South Africa? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I tried to upgrade my mother-in-law's South Africa trip to United's Polaris business class by only paying economy fares plus a little bit of Chase points. United Airlines MileagePlus program is a direct transfer partner from Chase and Bilt's credit card programs. That means that if you have a Chase Sapphire Preferred or a Chase Sapphire Reserve, you can turn Chase points into United MileagePlus miles. You can book this United Polaris business class for just 250,000 miles. And if you happen to not have these miles, did you know that you can upgrade economy fares with United Miles? And these are called United MileagePlus Upgrade Awards. Here are the steps on how to book these upgrades and use the timestamps below to jump around. Part 1, getting a United MileagePlus account. Step 1, go to united.com. Step 2, go to the top right and look for that person icon. Click that. Step 3, a side panel should now come up from the right. Scroll to the bottom of that panel and click Create a MileagePlus account. Step 4, in the next few sections, you'll want to enter your full name, date of birth, address, and also account password information. Step 5, once your account is created, go back to the main page for united.com. Step 6, you'll want to click that person icon. The right pane will come back out. You'll want to enter in your new MileagePlus account information. Click Continue, enter your password, and click Sign In. Part 2, it's time to activate expert mode. Step 6, you'll want to go back to the main page, click that person icon to open the pane. Go and find the View My United button and select that. Step 9, when you have View My United open, you'll want to go View Settings and expand that and select View All. Step 10, in My Profile Settings, expand My Preferences and scroll all the way to the bottom. Now you want to look for expert mode and check that checkbox. Once you have that done, click Save. Part 3, let's look for awards the old-fashioned way. Step 11, to look for MileagePlus upgrade availability, you will need to use the advanced search. Look for it around the bottom of the page, right under class fares. Step 12, now that the advanced search page is open, you'll want to enter in your origin, destination, date, and number of passengers. Make sure to not check the flexible date, as that does not work with the MileagePlus upgrade search. Step 13, scroll down and make sure economy fares, lowest fares, and all airlines are selected. Step 14, scroll down to upgrades, certificates, and promotions and expand that section with the arrow. Step 15, once it's expanded, click the drop down and select MileagePlus Upgrade Awards. Step 16, scroll all the way down and select Find Flights. Step 17, now you should see the standard results search page and you'll see economy, premium economy, and business class fares for your flight and destination. Step 18, select the cheaper business class fare. And step 19, you'll now see a pop-up that says joining a waitlist. Wait a minute. If you're paying attention, that you would have noticed that the business class fare that I selected says upgrade waitlist. The upgrade waitlist is where everyone will join, including the elite members, where you will basically get assigned when you get closer to departure date. This is not what we want. Earlier in part 2, we activated expert mode, and here's where it pays off. If you click and expand details, you'll now see all these different letter and number combinations. These airfare codes for upgrade availability, you want the PC fare code. If it says PC 0, that means that there are currently 0 MileagePlus upgrades. Step 20, now I'm gonna lay out 2 options for you that you can look for availability for these upgrades. The first one is free, and the second one is paid. For the free version, let's for example, I want to fly during Thanksgiving from the 20th to the 27th. That means I'll be searching day by day for these PC award fares. And if I keep seeing PC 0, that means none are available. This is going to be a brute force method and it's going to waste a lot of your time. But it's free. Now let's talk about the paid version. Let's say, for example, your family has a lot of flexibility. You don't really know when you want to fly, but you know you want to fly in business class. Let me introduce you into a tool called Seats.aero. First, hashtag not sponsored. I'm recommending this tool because it's actually the tool that I use the most and used to find the easiest amount of United MileagePlus upgrade awards. Back to the regular scheduled tutorial. Part 3B, finding upgrade award availability the easy way. Step 21, Let's assume that you have Seats.Aero access, or some certain influencer is willing to help you look for some upgrade award availability. Leave a message below in the comments. Go to Seats.Aero, the webpage. Step 22, go to Tools, and in the drop-down, look for the United Upgrade/Plus Points tool. Step 23, for our family, we want to go to Asia in November, so let's use that example. In the United Plus Points Upgrade tool page, select from North America to Asia. Step 24, if you have a specific destination in mind, use the search tool. You can actually enter your airport code and that will filter even faster. Step 25, scroll around and look at the different date ranges and locations that you're looking for. And if you happen to find one that you like, make sure to take note of the flight number as you'll need it later. Step 26, click the View on United button and this will bring you to the united.com search page. It's going to list all the flights for these routes, and you'll want to find the specific flight number that you found and had tracked down. Step 27, once you find the flight, click Details to expand all the different fare codes and make sure that the PC fare code does not say PC0 and it matches what you saw on the Seats.Aero search page. An important tip, on the Seats.Aero page, there's a column that says last seen. This is important as the more recent this is, the most likely that this number of PC award fares are matching. If it's been a while since Seats.Aero has been able to find this award seat, then there's a likelihood that it's no longer available. Part 4, it's time to transfer your Chase points. Step 28, now that you found your availability, you'll want to go to chase.com. Step 29, you'll be able to log in using your username and password. Step 30, once you've logged in to your Chase account, you can see all your different credit cards and go to the one for your Chase Sapphire and expand that. Step 31, once it expanded, click on the Redeem, and this will bring you to your Ultimate Rewards page. Step 32, in the Ultimate Rewards page, on the top navigation bar, click on Travel and scroll down to Transfer Partners. Step 33, once you've gone to the Transfer Partner page, scroll down and find United MileagePlus program. Click that and scroll all the way down and click Transfer Point. Expand that and you'll go to a page where you'll list the different terms, enter your MileagePlus account information twice and confirm it and click Next. Step 35, you want to enter in the number of points that you want to transfer and click Transfer. Step 36, you have to wait for a little bit, but once you have confirmed that the Chase points has arrived as United MileagePlus miles, you can go back to booking your original business class award availability. Step 37, once you find your original business class flight and it says upgrade available, click that. Step 37, it'll now prompt you to verify your account information from your profile, such as your name, etc. And you'll want to click Continue. Step 38, next page will be about seat selection, and you'll want to select your seat. If you want tips on what the best seat based on your plane is, check out the links below. Step 39, you might see a page where it says upsell you on kind of points accelerator. Skip that because you don't want that. Step 40, in the final page, you want to enter your payment information, review everything is correct, and click Buy Now. And if you're interested in learning how to earn more United miles to book these upgrades, check out this next video.